guys, today I'm gonna share my reaction video about the internet things. And before we start, let me introduce myself first. I am Edison M. Polo, first year Block 17, Bachelor of Science Hospitality Management. So what is IoT? So what is my reaction about IoT? I think my honest reaction about the IoT is understanding the things that actually means taking of all the things in the world and connecting it into the internet. When the things are connected into the internet, it can send information, receive information, or do both. These things make smart. IoT has a four components: sensors, connectivity, data, processing, user interface. Let's say you want to maintain the temperature of cold storage go down. To maintain the temperature of cold storage go down, the temperature sensor is used to read the temperature go down. Then the temperature data sent through the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or any other means on the cloud. A software checks whether the temperature is within acceptable range, but what happens when the temperature is too high? The user interface sends a text alerts to the users. The advanced IoT systems will add remotely adjust the temperature or do it automatically without human intervention to your smartphones or even fridge. The Internet of Things is when everyday objects are connected to the internet data that allows them to send and receive data. And that's the IoT. So my honest reaction that is IoT is making things na sir na kwan. Paano ang mga bagay na nag-react sa something object through the internet. And IoT makes our life easier, ma'am, because one day yung toilet natin ay makakapag-analyze na ng ating health through our stool. And one day our fridge is talking to through our smartphone, and kuan po siya. One day po yung ating smartphone is makapagkuan na sa fridge. That one day, sir, yung fridge natin is kaya nang makipag-communicate us through our smartphone. Some example, yung kuan natin, yung fridge natin nakakonect na siya sa internet at through our smartphone. Kaya niya nang i-analyze yung kung ano yung balance diet natin or ano yung kakainin natin through the IoT. And IoT, yun nga po sir, yung IoT is kuan sa atin kapag yung something na object na nakakonected sa internet. Yun sir, yun lang po yung honest reaction ko. And IoT ay nakakatulong sa ating buhay. It makes things our life easier and more modern. Kasi one day, sir, mas high-tech na yung mga natin, mga bagay sa atin through our IoT kasi naka-connected na siya sa internet. And one day pa nga siguro, sir, modern car and modern house na kaya na tayong i-detect lahat something na mas through IoT. At mga bagay na kagaya yun, sir, yung watch na nagtatrack ng kuan natin, heart pulse rate or steps. That's example of IoT through the connected of internet of things. Yun lang po, sir, yun lang po yung instruction ko.